I feel it's an eye opener, and with each session, I can say new learning, something or the other new learning comes and brings more and more clarity in life. And I feel this should continue, it should never be stopped, because there is so much to learn. And this is just the start of the journey, where we are taking a small step and a long way to go. So I will say everyone should join this and learn. This learning is very important. I have feel the difference in my lifestyle, in my nature, you can say.
Good evening, everyone. I have joined all these sessions 1.5 years back. Uh, I'm connected to Alba ma'am as my doctor as for asthma, and I've started that journey with actually. I wanted to get rid of my asthma and all other problems, but I was not aware of all aspects of all this what sessions are going on. When I was hospitalized, after that I have started. Uh, Actually having all this knowledge about what ma'am is doing about all the sessions, breathing exercise. So I've started joining. First classes was just breathe. Then I've done my AYP program. Then I've done my Kashmir Sepeja. So all this, it is not only one module. I can say it helps me every module. What I've learned from last 1.5 years, it helps me in each and everything. All my personality has been changed. I'm a working woman also, so how to manage all the things. Earlier I was having so much issues of managing certain things, but with all this learning, I really felt like a complete person now with all the aspects. And I'm really thanks ma'am for everything what she has taught me. Purvi ma'am, Sejal ma'am, everybody has helped us to gain each knowledge. I can say about exercise, you can say intellectual, also say relationships, what we have learned from this session, so many others. So I can say we everybody means people who are having so much issues and all, we should start doing all this sessions. And I'll really told my friends also, so many friends also, okay, after 1 year also I have so much totally relief from each and every problems of my health and all this thing. So everybody should join this thing, and I'll really wanted to recommend each and every person who is in touch with me.